Hindi pa Senate President pero may kasunduang iupo sa pwestong yan si Senadora Loren Legarda bago ang 2028 elections ayon kay Senador Mig Zubiri. Pagkumpirma naman ni Senate President Tito Soto, nagkaroon ng tangkang kudeta sa Senado pero napigilan anya ito ng mayorya. Nakatutok si Ian Cruz. Session is resumed.
Thank you very much, Madam President.
Hindi pa nangyayari pero sabi ni Senate Majority Leader Juan Miguel Zubiri, kasado na ang kasunduan para iluklok bilang Senate President si Senadora Loren Legarda.
Before the 2028 elections, of course, the good Senator Loren Legarda could sit as Senate President. We have an agreement. Let's put it this way: we have an agreement that there will be, of course, a change in leadership within the majority members if we still have the support of all the majority members.
Pagkumpirma rin ni Senate President Tito Soto, paupuin nila bilang Senate President si Senadora Legarda bago matapos ang 20th Congress. Kapag natuloy, magiging makasaysayan ito dahil kung sakasakali, si Legarda ang unang babaeng Senate President ng Senado ng Pilipinas. Nang unang umugong ang Senate coup, matunog na si Legarda ang iluluklok na bagong Senate President kung babaligtad ito at aanim sa grupo ng minorya. Sabi ni Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson na bigo ang tangka ng minorya dahil bigo silang makakalap ng sapat na numero. Pero ang ending, si Legarda rin pala ang iluluklok ng mayorya bilang bagong leader ng Senado matapos pandayin ang isang power sharing agreement.
Let's put it this way, no, hindi siya nakakuha ng 13, kaya nag-stabilize kahapon. Kaya nauwi kami sa biruan. Kasi nung nasa lounge na kami, nando Senator Loren, ito naman si Senator Keiko, nag-groupie, nag-selfie. So, pinost, nagtatawanan kami, anong hashtag? Anong hashtag? So sabay-sabay kami, di power sharing. Di hinashtag niyang power sharing.
Sir, can you say na you thwarted the attempt?
Well, not me. It's the majority.
The majority
They
thwarted.
always decide,
The majority thwarted an attempt on your leadership, sir. Okay, sir.
So there was an attempt and you were able to prevent it?
Well, the majority,
The majority.
not me.
Si Legarda, tikom ang bibig sa sinasabing power sharing agreement nila ni Soto.
Ano yung power sharing daw, ma'am?
Term sharing daw. I have no idea. That's why I don't like to comment on something that I have no idea of and I was not informed.
Hindi niya rin sinagot kung totoong kinausap rin siya ng minorya para umanib sa kanila kapalit ng Senate presidency.
But the Senate presidency was indeed offered to you, ma'am. Could you confirm that po? Was it offered to you? When?
By the minority.
Recently daw.
Recently.
Kasi ang sabi po ni Senator Soto and Senator Lacson, tinap daw po kayo for to be Senate President.
Gusto niya magka-storya.
Paniwala ni Lacson, maaring may kinalaman sa tangkang kudeta sa Senado ang nag-leak na draft report ng Blue Ribbon Committee na nagrekomendang kasuhan sina Minority Senators Cheese Escudero, Jingo Estrada at Joel Villanueva kaugnay ng flood control scandal.
Siyempre, nagkaroon na rin ng, sabihin nating, vulnerabilities yung iba namin kasama sa majority. Kung na-appeal sa kanila yung to their emotion, madaling sabihin, nakita nyo na, hindi kayo kayang proteksyonan, hindi tayo kayang proteksyonan ng leadership.
Kung natuloy ang kudeta, maalis kay Lacson ang pagiging chairman ng nasabing komite. Sinisikap pa nating makuha ang panig ng minorya ng Senado. Sabi naman ni Zubiri, sa gitna ng pagpapalit ng liderato ng Senado, maging siya ay magpaparaya para maupo naman si Senador J.V. Ejercito bilang bagong majority leader.
Actually, I also indicated that I'm willing to step down as majority floor leader and also let my senior deputy majority floor leader, Senator J.V. Ejercito, sit as majority floor leader. And I'll just be a mere member of the Senate.
So,
That way, you know, we also give an opportunity to the other members of the Senate to hold leadership positions.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Ian Cruz, nakatutok 24 oras.